probably should put my clear visor on. But I don't know, I'm gonna. We'll see how this works. Alright, well, today we're only running one camera because this was like a last minute decision, and I didn't have time to grab the other camera and get it all set up and get the audio synced and everything. So I was like, whatever, I'll just throw the drone in the bag and then grab the main camera. We'll see if we can't get to the lake in time before the sun goes down. See if we can't, catch us a good sunset. But today is Saturday, March 2nd, I think. Yeah, I think it's March 2nd. It's already into the 3rd month of the year, man. This is crazy. This year has been flying by so fast. It's unbelievable. So we've been having some rain for like the past few days. I think probably since like Wednesday. It's probably been raining just about every day. And I've just been over it because I've been wanting to get out or I'd grab another video. And just haven't been able to until today. So we're jumping out here real fast before it gets dark, or at least too dark, and gonna have us a good old little time. And of course, like just about every video, I had to go get gas because I'm lazy and I never go get gas on my way home, even though I know I need gas. That's a bad trait. I need to stop doing that. But we got a little bit of stuff to talk about today. I got some interesting topics. One being about Indian, not necessarily in a negative light, just with some issues a buddy of mine has been having. But yeah, let's grab some gas and then we'll talk about that on the way out to the lake. Got some gas. Looks like the sun's still up high enough. I think we can make it. We're gonna do our best. Poblanos. Ooh, so you know, some tacos for dinner? Doesn't sound too bad at all. What kind of music does everybody listen to? I can only keep that on, I think like 15 seconds is like the limit that I can play before it gets copyrighted. Yeah, we're not going to try to run that red light. I had plenty of time to stop. I just had to make sure the person behind me was going to stop. I really, really, really wish they would hurry up and finish the construction on this road. Like, they've been doing this for a couple of years now, and it's like, come on, y'all. Like, traffic gets backed up so bad through here during the week. Like, I want to say maybe I've come through here one time with the camera rolling, how much traffic is backed up. Well, it looks like they're really getting started on it now. Hopefully they'll have it done sometime this year, hopefully, because Augusta is growing a lot and we don't have the space for the amount of people that is trying to come here. So they got to do something quick. But I guess I can talk about today's topic a little bit. A friend of mine has been having a lot of issues with his Challenger. So since day one, since he got it, he's been having a misfire. He's gone through different tunes, like through Indian. The Indian's been throwing parts at it. Long story short, they couldn't figure it out. So they made him a deal to buy that one back, or to take that one back from him and give him another one, plus the upgrades that he had. You know, that was a pretty good deal. So he went down there today, signed all the paperwork for the new bike, which is a Pursuit, 2023 Pursuit. I'll have a picture of it. That'll probably be the thumbnail. I'll have a picture of it up there. And he texted me, told me he got it, good to go. And he texted me, I don't know, a little bit later and says it blew up with 54 miles on it. He was on his way back home and he said it blew up. And I was like, no way, dude. I was like, you just have terrible luck with Challengers lately, man. I was like, there's no way that thing blew up. I was like, what did it do? He said it went boom and then cut off. And I was like, oh. I was like, is it leaking oil? Like, did it throw a rod? Like, he was like, no, I don't see any oil. So I was like, but it just went boom and cut off and wouldn't turn back on. He goes, yeah. I was like, oh man, brand new Pursuit, 54 miles on it. Like, he just has terrible luck with Challengers. So I think we might be losing an Indian brother. I think he said he's gonna end up going to go get a new CVO now, which honestly I don't blame him at all. Like, all the problems that he's been having with like his first Challenger, and then he gets this brand new one and it blows up on him on his way home with 54 miles on it. That's real discouraging. And then he had to fight Indian a little bit to get them to do the deal that they did. I mean, props to them for doing it, but I mean, in my opinion, I don't think it should have taken as long as it's taken for them to even get to this deal. That's just my opinion, though. But I don't know. I haven't talked to him yet to figure out what they're going to do with that situation. Last time I talked to him, he said that he was eating lunch trying to cool off. I was like, dude, I don't blame you at all. Like, that's very frustrating. So I'm gonna try to text him later on tonight and get some more info, and I'll probably just end up making another video about it. But I just kind of wanted to go over that right now. Like, I don't know what it is with him and Challengers, or maybe it's the place where he's getting the Challengers from, or I don't know, but he's had horrible luck with Indian Challengers, and I don't blame him for wanting to switch to Charlie. Like, he loves Indian. Like, he loves Indian, he loves the Challenger. But I mean, after having two major problems with the bikes, like especially this one blowing up with 54 miles on it, like, you start to get discouraged after a while, you know. And it's like you kind of, no, excuse me, like you start losing trust in the brand. But I don't know. Like I said, I'll have to call him later or text him and figure out what's up, fellas, figure out what they ended up doing, if he's still down there, if they put him on another bike, if they're gonna fix that bike, or what they're gonna do. But yeah, it's been rough for him, so it sucks. I don't know if we got here in time. My drone does not fly in the dark, but there might be enough sunlight left for it to be able to fly. Oh, maybe not. It might be too dark. I don't know. We're gonna give it a shot. We're really, really close to the dam and the pull-off, so we'll pull in there, and hopefully the next footage that y'all are looking at will be drone footage. If it's not drone footage, it was too dark, and I'll figure out something else. But I think I can get it up there, so let's get the drone in the air. We made it. We got some drone footage, some good drone footage too, at least I feel like. It'd probably been a little bit better if it wasn't so cloudy, but I think it'll turn out pretty well. I still have not heard back from my buddy yet about the whole Challenger situation. I'm sure he'll let me know something whenever he finds out something. That's what he's been doing the whole time. So I might go home and edit this video tonight, possibly, because I got nothing else to do. The wife's out of town, so I'll just go home, grab a little bite to eat, crack open a beer, and go ahead and edit this video. That's all I got for y'all today. It's probably gonna be a quick one compared to the rest of them, but over and out.